hear it.
Oh no, can't see him.
I can hear you.
We ain't got. No, we ain't got.
We can hear you, but we can't hear you in here.
Should pretend you can't hear it.
But what? What?
What you said? That's what you need to do.
Just lock him out of the room.
Put your foot against.
Cheers. In you go.
Break it around it. Oh jeez. What is it?
Fire in the boot.
Yeah. Grab it and throw it through that window. Now we put the chair against the door.
SWAT in this room. SWAT room. Okay.
You have to get this desk and ram it against the door.
No, I'll just sit against the door like that.